Today we're going to do a 1980s look slash guess the celebrity. So let's begin. I'm going to begin with my celebrity has on a sheer foundation. So I'm going to begin with the Tom Ford again. All of my looks have been sheer lately, haven't they? And my celebrity is fair. So this foundation is in the color Fawn. It's number 4. My celebrity does not have the color hair that I have. So that's hint number 1. She is from the 80s. She was well known in the 80s. All right, the eyeshadow look that I want to do today, I want it to be vivid. So I'm going to use an eyeshadow primer that I feel will help me accomplish that. I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extend Eye Base. These are my fingernails. I did these yesterday. I had this nail polish on yesterday for my Elizabeth Taylor look. My celebrity has thin eyebrows and they're highly arched. So I'm putting on some glue so I can make mine as arched as possible. There we go. I'm going to use the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette today. Are you excited? I know, me too. And I need a brush that I can be a little bit precise with. I'm taking the color Jasper and I'm going to put it on the inside like this. And I'm going to look into the mirror. And come straight out from the corner of my eye. This person was really popular the year I graduated from high school, which was 1982. And beginning in 1982, I wore all the makeup I wanted to. Now I'm going to switch over to the Makeup Geek palette. And I'm going to use the color Lemon Drop. I really enjoyed these looks that I've done lately. It's very pretty, isn't it? It makes you more creative to look at pictures from different time periods. I find myself absorbing subconsciously, because I'm looking at the pictures on Instagram all the time, that my looks are influenced. Whether I realize it or not, my looks are influenced by what I'm looking at on my social media. So even though I don't want to, I end up looking like everyone else. My looks aren't original. I need a pencil brush. This orange is Jasper and it's from the Natasha Denona palette. I gotta change the settings on my phone because it doesn't stay open long enough. The yellow is Lemon Drop from Makeup Geek. And this color that I'm using now is Houdini from Makeup Geek. I'm liking this look. I started working in the I started modeling this summer after my junior year in high school. I started having workshops in hair, makeup, photography, that sort of thing but then I actually worked in a department store at the makeup counter probably in 84. Now I'm going to take purple. This is Psychedelic Sister from Urban Decay, and that goes along my top lash line and in between my lashes. Looks like my celebrity has it on the, wow, on the tight line. I didn't know that. I did waterline lining in the 80s, putting the sea green blue on the waterline. This one is Urban Decay Psychedelic Sister. And I'm putting it, she did not carry it to the inner corner. She only carried it to where where it looks like your lashes stop in the front. This celebrity has hooded eyes too. There's another hint. Okay, I'm going to find another, maybe just take a Q-tip. Even that out. Re-intensify my Jasper. This is fun. I like this look. Okay, I want to soften it up under my brow. Soften my look. And I'm going to take some, actually, it's Fortune Teller. This is going to be my brow highlight. While my camera was cooling off, I put on my mascara. I'm wearing the Loreal Voluminous Cobalt mascara today. I used the color Fortune Teller from Makeup Geek as my brow highlight. So let's move on to cheeks. I'm going to wear a pink blush today. I'm going to use the color Sweet Pea from Stila. And let me check the placement of my celebrity's blush. She's wearing her blush like a contour. I think I captured it. Like it. I think I remember wearing my blush like this in the 80s and getting called down from a know-it-all saying that my blush was too low. That's where it goes. All right. I like that. Can y'all see it? I'll put on more so y'all can see it. All right, let's do lips. My celebrity has a red lip on. This is the Cherry Lip Liner by MAC. I'm going to fill my lips in so that my lipstick will last all night whilst drinking and dancing. Okay, there we go. And my celebrity's red lip is very glossy. So I'm going to go in and use a lipstick from my Vice palette, and the color is 714. I would have to look up the significance of that.
Is it a plane? The symbolism of the number 714 is a combination of energies of the numbers 7, 1, and 4. Being a mix of these influences and energies, the number 714 symbolizes hard work, efforts put towards achieving your goals and desires and manifest.
It's a groovy red. I really like it. All right. There's my 1980s Guess Who My Celebrity look. So I just wanted to show you my outfit of the day. I have on my Charleston Makeup Artist tee. It's tapered at the waist, so it shows off your curves. It has a nice scoop neck, so it doesn't look tomboyish. This seam down the back is a pretty extra touch, and it looks great with shorts. If you want one of my CMA t-shirts, email me at charlestonmakeupartist@gmail.com and let me know your size and address, and I'll tell you how to